This video is all about application of percents. Code 4, story problem. Whoop, whoop. So you might want to try these first, hit pause, try it, come back, see what I did, whatever. I'm going to use proportions for all of these because I just think it's easier. And I don't know about you, but I'm lazy. I want to do things the easy way. So here we go, number 1. You made a purchase in the state of Maine. I heard it's beautiful there. For $74, and you were charged $3.70 in sales tax. What is the sales tax rate in Maine? Well, hopefully it kind of jingles in your head that sales tax rate is a percent, right? So we're thinking what percent? Because that's sales tax rate. Okay, now on the right side, I'm thinking part to whole. Sales tax. What you pay in sales tax is part. That's not the whole thing, right? So the sales tax is part. The total you made a purchase of $74. That's what the tax is fixed off of, right? So there's your total. So you cross multiply. 74x equals 370, right? Go this way. The equal sign, we divide both sides by 74, and the sales tax rate is 5%. So remember, we're looking for a percent with proportions. After you find your answer, you just throw the percent sign on the end and you call it a day. Let's look at number 2. The US Census Bureau reports shows that 24.7% of the 6,454,254 Indiana residents claim a German ancestry. I'm German. How many residents claim a German ancestry? Well, when I see this, I see the percent first, and the percent strikes me as percent over 100. On the other side, I'm thinking part to whole. So this number here, blah, is that all of the Indiana residents or part of them? Well, it says Indiana residents, so it's all of them, right? The question says, how many claim a German ancestry? So we're looking at the German ancestry over the total. So the total is 6,454,254. How many of them are German ancestry? So I cross multiply. 100x equals big honkin' number 159420073. I think that's a 0.8. I think. Divide both sides by 100. I am going to round to the nearest person, and therefore I get 1,594,201 people in Indiana claim German ancestry. Right? It should be less, right? Only 24.7% of them are German, so your answer should be less than the total. Makes sense, right? Make sure it makes sense logically while you're doing these. Number 3. A little bit depressing here. Your gross pay for the month is $1,800, and $396 was taken out in taxes. What percent of your gross pay is taken out in taxes? Okay, so the question says, what percent? X over 100. On the right, think part to whole. Gross pay. Gross pay is everything you earn. That's total. Taxes is part. Goes on top. Cross multiply. 1,800x equals 39,600. We divide both sides by the 1,800. And x equals 22. What'd I forget? That's right, friends. A percent sign. Kind of feel like Blue's Clues a little bit here, right? Blues Clues, Blues Clues, whatever. Number 4. Jennifer says she has $575 taken out of her gross pay in taxes each month. If 23% of her gross pay is withheld in taxes, how much must Jennifer make each month? That really should say how much does she earn. If she's making her money, that's illegal. But that's just, we're splitting hairs. All right, 23%. So percent over 100. Now, when you look at this, this is how much is taken out of her gross pay. So is that part or whole? Wait, that's right, it's part. We're trying to find out her gross pay. So, gross. We cross multiply. 23x equals 57,500. Divide both sides by 23, and x equals a nice round $2,500. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Now let's get to the disgusting problem. First, let's refer to the comic. Did you know a single droplet of sneeze can contain 200 million germs? Gross. Hand sanitizer kills 99.9% of germs. And I know that we all look at that and think 99.9%, golden, almost all. Look at all the germs we're killing. You feel like a beast. Okay, well, let's think about it. If we've got 200 million germs, we're killing 99.9% of them. we still have how many germs left? Well, if you have 100% and you kill 99.9, that means we have 0.1% of germs left. So, 0.1%. That's how many germs are left. Well, how many germs did we start with? We started with 200 million, and we want to know how many are there. Notice I said million. So when I cross multiply, 100x equals 0.1 times 200 is 20. I divide both sides by 100, and I get an answer of x equals 0.2 million. Well, 0.2 million is the same as 200,000 germs. So the next time you sneeze in your hand and you got a big snot booger and you rub it all up with hand sanitizer, you still have roughly 200,000 germs on that snot-laden hand. So think on that. And now if you're not a germaphobe, you might be now. Happy sneezing to all of you.